Welcome to TechNet TV. Today we will discuss about the case study method. Before we define definition of a case study, we have to understand meaning of case study. That means the case study method is a very popular form of the qualitative analysis and involve a careful and the complete observation of a social unit, be that unit a person, a family, a institution, a cultural group, or even the entire community. It is the method to study in the depth rather than the breadth. The case study plays more emphasis on the full analysis of the limited number of events or the coordination and their interrelations. The case study deal with the process that take place and their interrelationship. Thus, the case study is the essential and intensive investigation of the popular unit under the consideration. The object of the case study method is to locate the factors that amount of the behavior pattern of the given unit at the integrated totality. Now we are going to define definition of case study. According to H. Odam, the case study method is a technique by which individual factor, whether it be an institution or just an episode in the life of an individual or a group, is analyzed in its relationship to any other in the groups. Means a fairly intensive study of a group or a person is called a life or the case study. While Berger has used the word the social microscope for the case study method. While Pauline V. Young described case study as the comprehensive study of the social unit, be that unit a person, a group, a social institution, a district, or a community. And in the brief, we can say that the case study method is the form of the qualitative analysis where in careful and complete observation of an individual or a situation or and the institution is done. Effects are made to study each and every aspect of the concerning unit in the minute detail, and then from the case data generalization and inferences are drawn. Now we have discussed about the characteristics. The important characteristics of the case study method are as shown below. First one is, under this method, the researcher can take one single social unit or more of such unit for his study purpose. He may even take a situation to study of the same comprehensively. Second point is, here the selected unit is studied intensively, that is, it is studied in a minute details. Generally, the study intended over the long period of time to ascertain the natural history of the unit so as to obtain enough information for the drawing correct inferences. Third point is, in the content of this method, we make complete study of the social unit covering all facts. Through this method, we are trying to understand the complex of factors that are operative within a social unit as an integrated totally. Fourth point is, under this method, the approach happens to be qualitative and not quantitative. More quantitative information is not collected. Every possible efforts is made to collect information concerning all aspects of life. As such, case study deepen our the perception and give us the clear insights into life. For instance, under this method, we not only study how many crimes a man has done, but shall peep into the factors that force him to commit crimes when we are making a case study of a man as a criminal. The objective of this study may be to suggest way to reform the criminals. Fifth, in respect of the case study method, an effort is made to know the mature interrelationship of the causal factors. 6 point, under case study method, the behavior pattern of the concerning unit is studied directly and not be an indirect and abstract approach. 7 point is the case study method result in faithful hypothesis along with the data which may be helpful in testing them, and thus it enable their generalization knowledge to get richer and richer. In this absence, generalization social sciences may get handicapped. Evaluation and scope. The case study method is a widely used systematic field research technique in the sociology these days. The credit for the introducing this method to the field of the social investigation goes to the Frederick Lay, who used it and the handmaiden to the statistics for his studies of a family. Herbert Spencer was the first to use case material in his comprehensive study in the different cultures. Major phases involves in this case study. First one is the recognition and determination of the status of the phenomenon to be the investigated of a unit of attention. Second point is the collection of data, examination and history of the given phenomena. Third point is the diagnosis and identification of causal factor as the basic for the remedial or the development treatment. Fourth point is the application of remedial measures, that is the treatment and the therapy. Fourth point is the application of remedial measures, that is the treatment and therapy. Characteristics are the case study shown below. Fifth point is the follow up the program to determine effectiveness of the treatment applied. I hope you understand these entire topics. For more video, like and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.